Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit your username on the Instagram application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. In the profile section, you can find the edit profile button at the upper side of the screen. And here you can find the second option, the username. And just click that. You can delete this and write another username. And if you finish, just tap to the OK button at the upper right corner of the screen and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.